Hi.
Hi, JJ. Hi, JJ.
Hi.
You gonna talk? You gonna talk? Your brother don't wanna talk. He's moody. You're moody?
Hi. You getting happy? Hello. Hi. Hi.
You gonna make noises?
Julian.
You make squeakies?
Julian, hello, baby.
Wow.
Talk to him.
What do you got to say? You got things to say? You want to say hi, Daddy? Hi, Daddy. You want to say hi, Daddy? Hi, Daddy. You got things to say. Hi, Daddy. Hi, Daddy. What? Hi, Daddy.
Hello. Hi. Hello. What you doing? Uh-oh. He got serious because Ethan started crying. See, Ethan?
Oh.
Ethan, what's the matter, Buggy? What's wrong, Buggy? Buggy is upset. JJ, say hi, Julian. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. You guys smile? He's getting wound up now.
You getting wound up? Turn down for what, Julie?
Hi. Hi.
Hi. What's up?
Ooh, that's Daddy.
Hi, Baba Beans. Yeah.
Oh, look at
Baba
him.
Beans.
He likes Daddy.
You like Daddy because Daddy's got Baba Beans. Nom, 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 nom.
And Ethan's not in the mood.
You are not. Are you? I think this one would give us the finger. If you could.
Hi. You gonna talk? Say hi.
Ooh. It's almost out of
Give him a burp. Ethan needs to be burped. Alright, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Julian. Julian. Say bye-bye, Jay. Bye.